As we look forward to DJI's upcoming release, the DJI Air 4, the buzz around its features and capabilities is growing. With a series of leaks and rumors, there's a lot to unpack about this highly anticipated drone. Whether you're a hobbyist or a budding aerial photographer, the Air 4 promises to deliver upgrades that could set new standards in the consumer drone market. First, let's talk about strategy. DJI has a knack for understanding its market, and it shows in their product release cycle. The Air series, which targets everyday consumers and enthusiasts, receives more frequent updates compared to the professional-grade Mavic series. This approach ensures that DJI can rapidly incorporate the latest tech advancements to meet the evolving demands of hobbyists and semi-professional users. Now, on to the juicy details. Rumors suggest that the DJI Air 4 will come with significant upgrades over its predecessor. The Air 3, one of the most exciting speculations, is the enhancement in camera technology. Although some leaked images showing a 3-camera setup similar to the Mavic 3 Pro have been debunked as fake, credible sources still hint at a notable improvement in the camera system. We can anticipate better resolution, enhanced low-light performance, and possibly new shooting modes that will cater to both photographers and videographers. Flight time is always a critical factor for drone enthusiasts. The DJI Air 4 is rumored to feature improved battery life, potentially surpassing the Air 3's impressive 46 minutes of flight time. This upgrade would not only extend your aerial adventures, but also reduce the anxiety of battery management during shoots. One of the most exciting speculations is the upgrade to a 1-inch sensor for both cameras. This would significantly improve image quality, allowing for crisper and more detailed photos and videos. The larger sensor size is especially beneficial for low conditions and overall dynamic range. For those into aerial mapping, videography, and photography, the inclusion of a mechanical shutter is a game changer. This feature will greatly reduce rolling shutter distortion, which is a common issue with fast-moving objects or when the drone is in motion. Another rumored feature is a variable aperture, providing greater flexibility in different lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or at dusk, being able to adjust the aperture will help you achieve the perfect exposure without relying solely on ND filters. Safety and ease of use are at the forefront of DJI's design philosophy. The Air 4 is expected to include an improved 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. This enhancement means safer flights with better obstacle detection and avoidance, giving you the confidence to fly in more challenging environments. Igor Bogdanov's tweet included a photo showing 4 drone batteries, hinting at the Air 4's improved power capabilities. This suggests not only longer flight times, but also possibly faster charging and more efficient power management, ensuring that you spend more time flying and less time waiting. Adding weight to these rumors, an industry insider and friend of Drone XL confirmed hearing similar details about the DJI Air 4. The insider echoed the increased sensor size, mechanical shutter, and improved obstacle avoidance capabilities, reinforcing the credibility of these exciting upgrades. So, when can we expect to get our hands on the DJI Air 4? According to recent leaks, the Air 4 might hit the shelves as early as summer 2024. This timeline is strategically planned to precede the release of the Mavic 4, allowing DJI to cater to different segments without cannibalizing their own market. Finally, let's talk pricing. We expect the DJI Air 4 to be competitively priced along the lines of the current DJI Air 3 pricing. This means it will remain accessible to a wide range of consumers, while delivering advanced features typically found in higher-end models. The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the consumer drone market. With rumored enhancements and camera capabilities, flight time, and safety features, it promises to elevate the drone flying experience to new heights. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, shooting dynamic action scenes, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, the Air 4 could be the perfect companion for your aerial adventures. So, that's all about the upcoming DJI Air 4. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.